let's talk about the spring market update. Like springtime, we always say houses pop up like tulips. And that has been so true. Like this last couple of weeks, Darren and I have had like 4 houses go on the market, and all of them but one are under contract. The one that's not under contract is $1.2 million. So it sits there for just a tiny bit longer, but all the rest. And we saw multiple offers. We got cash offers, and everybody's competing. But the good news is we understand as sellers that people are in a higher interest rate as buyers. And so if you have a good agent negotiating for you, you can still get closing costs and different things rolled in, because we all are working together for this home ownership. So tell us a little more, Dan, why not to wait in the spring market?
Well, I think what a lot of people are saying right now, I'm waiting for interest rates to go down or prices to go down. They're essentially waiting for it to get easier, right? But we're also in a low inventory environment where, it's kind of, I don't know if I would say a buyer's or seller's market, but inventory is still low. And to bring that up in a very quick fashion, I don't see it happening because builder supply lines are kind of backed up. Regulation hasn't really backed it up. There's not a huge recession looming on the horizon, according to most financial analysts. So I don't know. I think if you're waiting for it to get easier, for that payment to get lower, the only way to really do that is to lock in your price right now. And then if a refinance opportunity comes along, then you take advantage of that. However, if you wait and rates go down, that's going to push more buyers into the market, which will push prices up. And so really the only realistic way for it to get easier for you is to lock in that price right now by buying that home that you've been looking at or having your eye on. And then when an opportunity to refinance comes along, take it. That's how you make it get easier.
Well, yeah, and we talk about the spring market as an increase. If you get in earlier in the spring market, you get that pop up that happens during the spring market, and that so your equity, most of it, the biggest gain happens during the next 6 months. So the sooner you can get in, the better you can taking advantage of that equity boost that's going to keep helping your house grow and get more. And I think it's important to realize you're not going into debt, you're going into an investment.
Right, yeah.
And it will long-term pay out, right?
Yeah, so I'm a big math guy, as many of you might know. And so having some help doing the math, showing what is my house worth today, what is it going to be worth in 10 years, roughly based on long-term averages, right? We don't have a crystal ball. Right. But I can help you understand from a long-term wealth perspective and a short-term wealth perspective what this home is doing for your financial planning.
So give us a call, because seriously, we don't mind just consulting with you. And like Dan says, he has all these spreadsheets that will show you real numbers. Don't listen to the crazy news feed that makes you panic or think all these different things. Look at the facts and the numbers and give us a call.
Right.
Bye.
Thanks.